Welcome to my show Trendsetter, and I have a really trendsetter rocking woman. I've been inspiring and following up for this interview for a long time. Finally, she got some love and care for me that she agreed for this interview. It's none other than Armaan Malik mother. I must say, we should not say Armaan Malik mother, but she been a great pillar to him. So her name is Jyoti, and she's from, I was excited to know about her little bit journey and how being a mother she inspired his own son. So let's find out more details about her. And thank you so much, ma'am, giving us a time.
Thank you.
Really by heart I'm saying that because I've been following up you and you don't have any craze of giving interviews, as I know that. But a little bit excitement, how your journey and how you connected to this South cinema or, a South industry, or I must say South India.
I am from Guntur.
Yes.
Born in Vizag. So for me it is like my mother tongue and my motherland.
Okay.
So, since Armaan as a kid used to sing in all languages for his jingles and all, so I wanted him to sing in the films as well in Telugu. That would be giving great high to me and my mom, and she would feel great about it. So that's how we said, "Ki Telugulo paatalanni." That's how he's entered.
So how was your journey, ma'am, your background, like studies-wise, your childhood, where you spend most of the time?
Was basically first, because my dad was in a transferable job, so మేము ఒక చోట లేము. So every time it was transferring. And ultimately we were in Bombay. So from the age of 10, నేను బాంబేలోనే ఉన్నాను.
Okay. So you were in Bombay only. So your culture being like, you were missing your culture, like coming to Hyderabad?
We have kept our culture very intact. అందుకే తెలుగు మాట్లాడడం వచ్చు, తెలుగు అన్నం, తెలుగు లంచ్, డిన్నర్, everything is.
So professionally, what is about your hobbies like?
I'm basically a teacher and I used to teach.
Wow.
But when I started managing the boys and saw that they are interested in the film industry, so it's a line where you need somebody to take care. So I left my job and I said, let me be with the boys. So I'm managing Armaan.
I must say you're a real teacher for your kids, because I must say that the way you have grown up and the way they bless and they wish everybody so down to earth. So I think you're the real teacher. So what was a big struggle, ma'am, managing kids and then leaving your job and then getting into their work, daily basis work? How you do that?
No, completely 100% it is management. So job is now no there. Long back, 20 years back I left the job.
Okay.
So it's completely being a housewife and taking care of the career.
So when Armaan started singing, when you actually thought that this child wanted to get more attention for the music only, or there was a background from in your family where people from music they love?
My father-in-law is a music director, my brother-in-law Anu Malik, my husband Dabu Malik, my son Amal Malik, all are music directors. In this family of music directors, Armaan is the only singer who's professionally taken singing. And right from the age of 3, he used to sing.
3?
He sang for his school on the stage as a professional singer type of a performance. So we thought we'll put him in classes, and there he began his journey. And at the age of 8, he was in Saregama Little Champs. That's how began his reality show journey.
Yes, reality show. So then you started being like a pillar, like you were supporting.
Yeah. We full family was supporting. They always support music.
So then, what about the Telugu? Like he was in Bombay. Obviously, the first cup of tea will be Hindi songs. How come you inspired him to come in this industry and his first song in Telugu?
No, he was singing in all the languages in jingles. Karthik Raja, so many people. So when he got first song, I don't remember which was the first song exactly. But when he got the Telugu song, he first thought, how will I be able to do it? But he is very good linguist and he knows Telugu. Full Telugu chanta.
Okay.
Properly.
But when we ask him to give interview, he always like hide.
He's got that little bit of a hesitance. Maybe wrong, grammatically wrong aitundemo ani మాట్లాడు కానీ అంతా వచ్చు కంప్లీట్లీ ఇద్దరు పిల్లలకి ఫుల్ తెలుగు వచ్చు.
Okay.
So it was easy. He writes anyway. He does sings in 20 languages, not only Telugu. So for him it is he's a linguist. You can say he can catch the nuances of the language very fast. So for him Telugu was not tough because he's been hearing it at home. So it is easy.
So I know it will be very tough for you to ask this question, like his favorite Telugu song which you loved it. Yeah.
Mine, you can say
all time you wanted to hear it.
Butta Mama is the biggest favorite.
No doubt that's favorite. That's a legacy he has given actually.
Biggest song in Telugu film industry.
Yeah. And Hindi songs which you love?
Many, because my elder son has composed most of the songs which Armaan has sung. And ಧೋನಿ and ಚಲೆ ಆನಾ ಎನ್ನೋ ನೆ मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा ಎನ್ನೋ ನೆ.
So when a family is full of music and you're a teacher, somewhere you get connected, your interest.
No, I don't at all listen to music. I don't listen to music. I'm not musical in that sense, but I think management is more my forte. So for me, I'm not connected to the music part,
But
creative part of it.
you have created legends, I must say, musical legends.
But my genes have not come in the music. It's my husband's genes. Since he is the composer and the creative person, you can say it's the genes from the family. Everyone is